Alrighty, here we are today, guys. We're working on this WeeRide. Again, that's WeeRide, front mounted, front facing car seat. Sorry, this is not a car seat. This is a bike seat. So this is a bike seat for your little one. It even has a little platform. I'll get to showing you how to put that on as well. Right now, we're just showing you how to put back the seat belts. If you remove them, in your excitement to get it cleaned up, you don't know how to put it back together. This should give you a little reference on how to put it back together. You're simply just going to turn them vertically and stick them back in through the hole and then turn them horizontally so that they lock in place. It's going to be the same thing with the bottom two, except for you could keep those ones vertical and they'll still lock in. All right, so there we go. He got that one through. Easy peasy. Same deal this side as well. Once I get this one through, I'll turn it around so that you can see the back end to see how they're locked in there. Alrighty, so got that one through. The bottom one is in as well. So we'll flip this around. And you can see the top two were turned horizontally and the bottom two can be turned vertically to still be held in. We have that one on the bottom, that lock-in one. You can see it's turned horizontally as well so that it can lock in. All right, so let's take you guys outside. Let's get this platform put back on. So you just take this apart here. If you took it apart and yours was done right, this will already be off. You'll have to take this off in order to get it off, but mine wasn't installed correctly. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace, and whoever installed it wrong. So I'm just putting it back how it's supposed to be. Just going to lock those tabs in, close it down, and we're going to stick the screw back up in there. I'm not that talented with this camera, so I had to do that off screen. All right, so we got it up in there, and we're just going to twist until it's locked in there and secure it. And that's pretty much the bulk of it. You're just going to tighten it down, and you should be ready to go. Well, I hope that helped you out. I know seatbelts can be confusing to some people, sometimes me as well. So I hope this helped you guys out. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and consider giving. Peace.